extensions.
Yeah.
And that one is S2 normal. So that one has like the normal sitting neck space.
Okay.
So for colors, we have multiple options. You can choose blue, black, green, orange, and yellow. 5 color options. And then for the top, for the roof, also available in orange, black, and white. So using these 3 combinations, you can make more and more combinations. For example, in Tanzania market, this is their idea. They like this color. For Ethiopia, they like blue and white. For maybe Bangladesh, they like that black and yellow, right? The Pakistani market, we like blue. Okay, I was talking to you about something which I wanted to introduce you.
Yeah, coming.
Okay, so this is a conversion solution for Bajaj and TVS. We are not selling it to Bajaj and TVS. What we are doing is, if you have a Bajaj or if you have a TVS, you can buy this kit and you can replace the gasoline version for the E version. Because as you know, for Bajaj and TVS, their engine is also in the back. So you just take out the engine, replace the gearbox, motor, controller, DC, wiring, and you also need to change the
Dashboard.
dashboard display, and you get your E version. So just take out the engine, put this thing in there, complete solution. So I was before we were discussing about the. Where is the peak? This is now the Eco version. It will go to 29. Now this is city version 42. Okay, we have limited it to 52. And one other thing is we have this independent shaft system. So the both wheel, like you usually hear AWD, right? All-wheel drives. So this vehicle you can also call it all-wheel drive because these 2 vehicles, they're also independently moving, and the front definitely independently moving. So it makes it more stable and it makes it more efficient when you're driving on an uneven surface. So whichever wheel is on the ground, it will go from there. Okay, also this one have reverse camera, you guys can see yourself and say hi. Okay, I was talking about IoT, right? So this is GPS. So we got 2 GPS, one in the battery, because as we know, in the most of our scenarios, the battery can be stolen, right? Those batteries are valued asset. If we talk about the price, it covers around 22 to 25% of the overall vehicle price. And it's very easy to steal just. So that's why we put 1 GPS for vehicle, 1 for our battery. So even the one part of like controller, motor, battery, and DC, anything, one part is missing, vehicle will not run. And we also, for example, this was the place where you stole the battery, okay, we will get the system in IoT, we will get the report, okay, at this point, the battery was disconnected. But at this point, the other component was disconnected. So we can know, okay, where it was stolen. So one is like the stolen to avoid the theft. And other thing which is also important is maintenance. So for example, a vehicle breaks at some point, okay, the team can go and fix it there because most of them are designed for the renting business. So in renting business, the geotagging, geomapping, these kind of things are very important. And one last thing which I would like to show you, I think I bring it out. This is what we call a built-in motor. Yeah, same technology actually. The technology was introduced by Tesla. So you see, this is like one wire, a solid wire, which is around the motor. So instead of getting all that, the thing which used to be done in the previous time, so it is more heat efficient and also more efficient. So these are like the specialties of our vehicle. We try to show them. But also have NFC card. So you can also use NFC to open it, also use the key to open it.
So for the GPS, do the customer need to pay any money or the IoT service?
Okay, yeah, for IoT service there are charges.
Okay.
So it also depends on the region. They're gonna use our SIM card and they're gonna use their local SIM card. That's why it varies from region to region. If you have any question, you can just let me know about the vehicle.